Hey guys, how you guys doing? Today we're going to be playing NBA Live. So we already beat Washington. Now we're going on to Oklahoma City. They're pretty good, 62-60 on the Warriors. So let's go. I think we're actually going to be able to beat them. Tip off. There we go. Do a little juke. Oh, that's not my team. Oh, crap. Oops. That was not my team. I thought I was blue. Get that guy. Yes, I got that ball. I got that damn ball. 3-pointer for the win. Again? Oh my god. I'm on a roll right now. Get the ball, don't let them score. Oh, they scored anyways. And it's still good, 3-4. We can still lead up. Don't let the guy score. Juke the guy out. Dang it. I always think I'm the blue team. Go ahead. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Oh my god. We're getting beat to crap. Oh my god! Oh my god. We made it. Yay. See if we can make another one of these. Buzzer beater. Oh, they just missed it. 8-10. Doing pretty good so far. Go downstream. Get that guy. Swear losers. That would have been cool if we made that. Oh, we blocked it. We blocked it. Oh, it's a tie. Don't let that guy score. on a roll, guys. Oh my god. Score 100 points in the season. Oh, I scored 100 points. Get this guy the heat. He ain't getting away from this one. Oh, that would have been so cool if he made that. I'm pretty much the king of three-pointers. I've made over 73 points so far in the season. About 70. Of course he's going to make the layup. I mean, who can't make the layup? Oh, come on. Could have gotten that guy. Hey, go for this guy. No, changed. Nice. Oh, I'm going to have a chance. I won him again. Oh my god! The buzzer beater free throw! Dominic is
there.
Hi.
What are you doing there?
I'm sick. I have diarrhea and stuff.
And stuff.
And stuff.
When did this happen?
This morning.
I see.
Because I woke up with diarrhea. I went back to bed when the alarm went off. I didn't feel so good.
I see.
So I started off with diarrhea pretty much. Okay, let's do this, guys. I overshot that. Yeah, I'm sick today, guys. Just so you know. We need to get that ball. No. Oh my god, that was an awesome three-pointer. Now we're starting to get into it. Come on. Get that ball. Slap that ball out of your hands. Didn't get all the 2-pointers they want, but we got free 3-pointers. Keep saying free. I think it's Appling that's making all the 3-pointers. Let's see if Appling made it. Almost made it. Shot challenged. How can you challenge a shot? I missed it. Get that override ball. Hey. Miss. Boom. Damn. Oh, that time it was Samson. Come on, come on. Oh my god, I almost made that. There we go. Koa in for the shot. He misses it. Oh, I almost made that buzzer beater. Almost. believe I didn't make that. Okay, we're in the fourth quarter, guys. Go up, go up. Boom. Make you break your ankles. I'm gonna call this time. Side swipe ball. Get that ball. They just make a 3-pointer. No, they made a 2-pointer. You want your ankles broke? You want your ankles broke? Come on. Come on. Duh. Brr. Boom. For some reason, that move always works. No. 24 to 26. Oh, no. Can't let him get a 3-pointer here. No, 3-pointer. Oh my god, it's a tie. I'm gonna run down the time clock. Let's run down the time clock. Come on. We're going into overtime, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is a really close game, guys. Really close game. Everybody's got their hands to their faces. It's a really tight game right now. Ooh. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. No. This is very bad. Westbrook. No. Do it, Westbrook. Crap. Ilazona. He must be Russian or something. What? Uh-oh, this is not looking that good. Oh crap, guys, oh crap. No, you're supposed to get that ball, you idiots. You imbeciles! Oh my god, we're gonna lose. We're about to lose, guys. Oh my god. No. We have to turn up the heat now, guys. Don't let them score. Oh my god, guys. What's wrong with these guys? No! I'm gonna end up losing. There's just like a whole bunch of people swarming him. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank god! Oh! Well, guys, we lost. We lost. Wow. That was a great game, though. That was a really great game. Well, I'll see you guys in my next live stream, because I'm going to be doing a live stream soon. So, be ready for that. And I'm going to give a shout out to Timberwolf Gaming 34 and Caden Ashley. So go check out their channels. I know Timberwolf Gaming, he does live streams pretty much every day. Thank you guys.